Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to make simple and tasty Indian noodles at home. Let's start cooking. First, take a bowl, add red chili powder, turmeric powder and Noodles Masala powder. Mix them together and keep the bowl aside. Now, turn on the stove and place a pot with water on it. Once the water starts heating, add the noodles. Let the noodles boil and become soft. Check it often, but do not stir too much. Do not cook it completely, let it become half boiled. Once it reaches that stage, turn off the stove. Now strain the water and keep the noodles aside. Let it cool for a few minutes. Next, turn on the stove again and place a pan. Add 2 tablespoons of oil, then add 1 tablespoon of butter. Now add 1 chopped chili, add 2 chopped onions and stir them well. Next, add a little chopped cabbage. Add half a chopped carrot. Add a little more oil and stir everything nicely. Now add 1 chopped tomato and mix it well. Take the masala mixture we prepared earlier and add it to the pan. Add a little water and stir everything nicely so the masala cooks well. Now add the boiled noodles into the pan. Mix it gently until the noodles and masala are combined nicely. Finally, add some chopped coriander leaves and onion leaves. Give it one final mix. Now serve it nicely on a plate. Your delicious homemade Indian noodles are ready. Enjoy your meal. If you like this recipe, please like the video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel Cooking with Pravin Raja for more cooking videos.